In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Spotify Desktop. Customizing the Spotify Desktop app can mean two different things. For most people, it simply means adjusting the built-in settings to make Spotify look cleaner, feel more organized, and better match the way they listen. There are also more advanced community-made modifications out there, but in this video, we're focusing on the official options inside Spotify itself, since those are the safest and simplest to use. Let's start with your library layout. If your library feels too busy or visually cluttered, Spotify gives you a way to simplify it. Open the app, go to Settings, and then look for the Library section. Here you can turn on the option called Use Compact Library Layout. This removes album and playlist artwork from the library view and replaces it with a cleaner text-based layout. If you prefer a minimal interface or just want to see more items on screen at once, this setting can make a big difference. It's especially useful if you have a large collection and want faster visual scanning without all the extra graphics. Next, take a look at sorting and filtering your library. This is one of the easiest ways to make Spotify feel more personalized without changing the overall design. In your library, click the Playlists filter at the top to narrow the view and focus only on your playlists. After that, choose the Sort option and set it to Custom Order. This lets you manually arrange your playlists in the order that makes the most sense to you. For example, you can place your most used playlists at the top, group similar playlists together, or organize them based on mood, activity, or genre. It's a simple feature, but it can really improve your day-to-day experience. Finally, you can personalize your profile. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of the Spotify desktop app and select Profile. From there, you can update your display name, change your profile picture, and decide which public playlists appear on your page. This is helpful if you want your account to reflect your personal style a bit more, especially if you share playlists with friends or keep a public profile. Those are the main official ways to customize Spotify Desktop using the built-in settings. They're quick to apply, easy to reverse, and they can make the app feel much more tailored to your preferences. If you want a safer way to personalize Spotify without using third-party tools, these settings are the best place to start.